So that's how you made $100 and thereafter you converted it into $1,000 without doing anything extra. So welcome back to the channel guys, and in this video I'm going to share with you easy 4-step process to make $100 per day free Bitcoin, and thereafter I will be sharing with you something to actually go from $100 per day to $1,000. Literally you don't have to do anything for that without doing anything, completely passive. Okay, so what's the first step over here? The first step is actually finding a simple platform. So what do I mean by simple platform is actually like we are going to find a platform from where we can actually make money, and the platform I have found is one of the most lucrative platform is steamy.com. You may have heard of this website, but make sure to watch this video because some of the secrets are going to reveal only in this video. So now over here, as you can see over here, these guys are actually killing on their estimate. $161, $134, just one article is making that much money. Okay, $136, $200, etc, etc, $300. These guys are making a ton of money. So what if you can simply replicate them and can also make the same amount of money, or maybe even more than that? So what we are going to do over here now, we are going to simply head over to the second step over here. What we will do, so first of all, you have to just join this website by simply just come over here and just click on sign up. And there are two methods to join this website. The number one method is you can actually pay the some money to the Steemit, so they will activate your account within 3 to 4 hours, or maybe it is going to take max to max 24 hours. And there is second option, because this time there is not huge rush on the Steemit, so you can join with the free method. That will help you to get your account established within like 1-2 days. Maximum it is going to take like 15 days if there is huge rush. Okay, so now we are going to simply just head over to the second step over here. Find a topic. Okay, find a topic. So just look at this, these guys, how these guys are making a lot of money. There are two secrets. The number one secret over here is these guys are actually writing the stuff about the trending topic. Just look at this. The Bitcoin actually was stuck over there about $3,000-4,000 from like 3-4 months. It was not even going an inch on. Okay, so what we are going to, so what these guys have done, as soon as the Bitcoin went to $5,000, it crossed $5,000. These guys started writing about that, why Bitcoin went viral, and how much it is going to go up, when it can go down, when it can go up. So these guys started writing articles about the trending topic, because everybody was curious. Hey, what the hell happened with Bitcoin? Why it again went to like $5,000? And so the people are having more expectations to go from $5,000 to $20,000 again. So that's why they just start finding these topics. So you can actually write them, and if you don't know these answers, just head over to Google and just search. 100% you are going to find the answer, just because the predictions are already made some days ago, and those are some of the right predictions, some of the right reasons over there. So now coming back to the topic over here, the second method is the actually one thing over here. How these guys are cranking over here is these guys are getting a ton of upvotes. The more and more the upvotes you will be getting, the more and more the money you will be making. Now you might be thinking that this guy is having only 241 upvotes. This guy having almost 10 times more upwards, like 2953 upwards. So why didn't this guy made more money than this? The reason being is this, because this guy, the upwards quality of upwards is less. Okay, so the simple mean over here, the accounts which are having more steam power, okay, the accounts which are having more steam power, if they are going to upvote you, then you will keep on going up and up in the rank over here. Your article will be seen by other people. They will start, for example, a guy is having a high steam power. If he is going to like your on your article, upvote on your article, then you will make more money. But if someone is having less steam power and he is going to upvote your article, then you will make less money. So that's the same thing happening over here. These are the high quality upvotes and these are the low quality upvotes. Okay, and you can write about the this on this website about anything. about anything. Look at this, black holes. Black holes has nothing to do with Bitcoin, but still it is ranking on the top over here. So now let's see over here how you can actually come over here, how to write the article which are going to rank very well. So just look at this. This guy. This guy just wrote 4 to 5 lines and he's driving traffic back to his website. Just look at this. Click on image to read the full story. He's sending the traffic back to his website and still he's ranking on the top. So why? Because he might have purchased the upvotes or his account. He has actually created a stuff like for example, there is a, you can actually buy the Steam power, okay, Steam upvotes. For there is a website like steambottracker.com, so you can actually just simply come over here and can pay money to these guys. For example, Jerry Vanfield, he is having huge account and his one watt value is going to $12 on the estimate. Okay, so you can actually pay the money over here to this guy, and then this guy will head over to the estimate and will upvote on your post, and then your post will keep on going up and up and it will be seen by more and more people. So that's how you will also get more and more upvotes and you will start ranking on the top. So that is a different key process over here. And the more and more you will be keep on getting upvotes, the more money you will be making. But now how you are going to make a lot money, there are two things over here. Okay, the two ways to make money. The one way is to actually just start writing the articles over here and just make the money by the whatever the money you have been paid by the Steemit. And the second method is what I like over here. The second method is as simple that the guy was doing. The guy was actually sending the traffic back to his website. So what you can do in the first initial days, do not send the traffic from Steemit to anywhere. Just start coming over there and start providing valuable articles. Start buying the Steemit water power, or if you cannot buy, just create a community, start doing more effort. For example, you can actually create a YouTube channel and there you can start sharing about some of the stuff about how to make money with crypto trading, etc, etc. And thereafter in the end you can simply tell them, hey, if you want to know more about this, simply just head over to Steemit, just click the link in the description and head over to the Steemit and just learn from my article and make sure to upvote. So that's another key over here to start making more and more, getting more and more upvotes, and you will keep on getting rank, you will keep on getting ranked over here and you will make money from there as well. Okay, so these are the two things actually do over here. But what is the second way to actually make more money with crypto trading? So the second thing over here, you after you are going to start getting some of the interaction, attraction on the Steemit, you can actually start driving traffic. Okay, but what you are going to do over here, you are going to teach a really good lesson about the crypto trading, and thereafter in the end just tell them, if you want to learn more about this, hey, click on the image. And thereafter you can simply create an ebook, a paid ebook or a paid course, and thereafter you can actually sell that course, and that is another way you can actually make money, because the guys who are on the Steemit are laser targeted about cryptocurrency. Okay, and when they are going to come over here and read the article, there are more chances that they will be buying your course. So that's another thing on how you can actually get more and more money. But now it's the time for the bonus time. Yeah, it's the cool time. So over here you can actually see like how to go from $100 to $1,000 without doing anything. Yeah, I mean, you don't have to even touch anything and you will be able to convert this money into $1,000. So now let's move to the crypto coin market cap. So there I'll be showing you how you can actually convert it into $1,000. So as you can see, the Bitcoin market is in huge dump for right now, and you can see the Steam dollar over here. The Steam dollar is facing a huge downfall. Not just Steam dollar, but every crypto coin. So let's see the all-time high of the Steam dollar. The Steam dollar is having all-time high of $22. So that means if on this time you are going to make any money on Steemit, $1 you are going to earn on this platform, that is going to be equal to $22. So this guy is not going to make $161. This guy is going to make about 3,800 to $4,000. Okay, so that's what over here. Although the money over here will be written $161, but he will not be paid US dollars. He will be paid the Steam dollars. So that's what you are thinking about. We are going to start making money right away over here. At that time, the Steam dollar is about $1. It's like the US dollar. Okay, so what you are going to do, just keep on doing the stuff, just start writing articles and start making money, and just don't sell your Steam dollars, just keep on holding them. And as soon as the cryptocurrency is going to again boom, it can actually easily reach like $10, $12, because we all know that whenever the cryptocurrency or any market is going to pump after dump, after the bearish phase, when the bullish phase comes, it is really going to stock, it is really going to pump very hard. And 90% of the chances, and even in the history, it has shown almost every time whenever there is a bullish phase, after bearish phase, it breaks all of its all time high of previous times. Okay, so for example, its all-time high over here was like $13. I mean the $22. So it can, at least we can expect to go to $10. So all you need to do, just start making money on the Steam it, and as soon as you will see that crypto market is now booming, just start selling them. Or not just start selling them when it is starting booming, but just think about it, have a target like I am going to sell 10% of my coin when the Steam dollar is going to touch like $10. And when it is going to touch like $11, I will sell another 10%. So this way you will be in profit, and don't be greedy, because going from $100 to $1,000 is really easy by this method. All you need is one thing, that's patience, and that's one of the important thing you need. So I literally believe that this video has helped you, and make sure guys to subscribe to this channel if you really think that I am providing you value. And if you don't want to subscribe, there is nothing to worry. So I'll see you now in the next video.